Several times. And I still haven't found everything.
In Dragon Age?
Yeah. Like you find different mounts,
Yeah.
like all different kinds, different armor sets, building stuff. It's active.
I've heard The Witcher 3 is a lot like that, like a big, expansive world.
The Witcher 3 reminds me of Assassin's Creed. The Witcher reminds me of Assassin's Creed.
What the fuck is going on?
Imagine Skyrim and Assassin's Creed had a love card, and you have The Witcher 3.
I've seen gameplay on 2, but that's about it.
It looks like
Another one I've been playing recently. I can power through games. I can power through games. These can attest. For example, the South Park RPG.
Wow, that was awesome.
I beat in less than a week.
Sounds like they're shooting a bunch of... I'm down there.
One that's fun.
Yeah.
What was this?
Bloodborne.
Bloodborne.